Introduction to VMC. Vertical Machining Center, or VMC, is a specific type of milling machine which is CNC controlled. In this type of milling machine, the cutting head is vertical, normal to the work table. Difference between CNC and VMC. In case of CNC, job rotates and tool remains fixed. The tool has two axes, X and Z. In case of VMC, job remains constant and the tool and bed or table moves. The tool can move in Z axis while the bed moves in X and Y axis. VMC parts location and function. Following are the parts of milling machine. Base. The base of the machine serves as a foundation member for all other parts which rests on it, such as column, saddle, etc. Table. Job is mounted on the table with the help of fixtures. Table can move in X axis of the machine. Saddle. Saddle is mounted on the table and can move in Y axis of the machine. It supports the table and the table drive mechanism. Column. Column is the main supporting frame mounted on the base. It houses all the driving mechanisms for the spindle and vertical movement of the tool. ATC. An automatic tool changer, or ATC, is used to improve the production and tool carrying capacity of the machine. ATC changes the tool very quickly, reducing the non-productive time. Spindle. The spindle holds and rotates the tool as required. VMC working principle. The program is loaded into the VMC machine. Machine door is opened, and the job is mounted on the table. Machine door is closed, and the button is switched on to start the machine operations. Machine picks the tool as per the program. Machines does the operation on the job. Machine indicates the job done. Various other operations carried out on a VMC are end milling, pocket milling, etc.